Base sequence change within a gene is called mutation. An unfertilized human egg normally contains one exosperm. Sickle cell anemia is caused by abnormal hemoglobin levels, disease which causes much less in women than in men. Color blindness. Turner syndrome affects 45 chromosome. Color blind marriage is a normal woman. Symptoms of color blind will be appearing son of his daughter. The living being that Mendel used to propine his famous was garden pea. Sex-related genetic disease is hemophilia. In human, chromosome 46. The man in blood group A married with blood group B had a child with blood group C. In genetics, this means genetic for blood group A and genetic for blood group B both are dominant. The chromosome number are maintained from one generation to another is sexually reproducing through having chromosome during gamete formation. Responsible for determination allosome. In humans, the sex of offspring is determined by parental chromosome. In one reason why Mendel is successful in discovering the law governing inference traits was he kept a numerical count of progeny. In Mendel has not studied after generation, he would not discover recessive traits or not lost. Was first to bend his knowledge of science and mathematics, keep out count of individual exhibiting a particular trait in his Gregor John Mendel. Mendel's law of independent assortment was based on parent pea plant differing two in trait. The sex of person is determined by chromosome present in a sperm. In human male, the sex chromosome present in X5. Difference in them is X chromosome is big, whereas Y chromosome is small. Chromosome related to transmission of genetic traits. Name the point at which chromatides attached in chromosome. Centrosome. In genotype of plant, the TTR symmetry will be dwarf and rounded. Not a quality found in pea plant. Round pods. Carriers of genetic material genes. Reproducing a new plant by cell instead of vegetative part or seed. Tissue culture. Combination of chromosome in cells of newborn girl. 4 chromosome plus XS. Determine the sex of a child chromosome. Gene group of a trait are known as genotype. Sexual reproduction include opposite sex and two parents. A female gamete contains 23 chromosomes. Unfertilized egg of human carry one X chromosome. The type of generation that can provide more diversity is called sexual. Traits seen in generation F1 are called dominant. Do not come under Jordan Mendel of inheritance law of biotics. Formulated the law of inheritance George Mendel. A male of human species gets his X chromosome from his mother. Change in species can provide sexual advantage or may contribute to genetic frequencies. Transmission of physical or mental trait from parent to progeny is called heredity. The sex of progeny can be determined by inherited chromosome of father. Either X or Y chromosome is carried by male gametes in human. Gene mutation is caused by change in sequence of nitrogenous base.